Tired of worrying about your personal data if you ever lose your Fitbit Charge 6? This video shows you exactly how to device lock a Fitbit Charge 6 step by step, giving you complete peace of mind. If you've ever felt that sinking feeling, imagining someone picking up your lost tracker and scrolling through your health info, or even worse, accessing your payment details, you're definitely in the right place. It can feel really vulnerable, but it doesn't have to be. Hey everyone, I'm Anna from For Real. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to set up a secure PIN code using the built-in device lock feature. It's one of the most important settings for your Fitbit security, and I'll make it super clear. Let's get started. Okay, step 1. First, you need to open the Fitbit app on your smartphone. This is the central hub for everything related to your tracker. Once it's open, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that shows a little picture of your device and its battery level. Go ahead and tap on that icon. This will take you to the device management screen. Step 2. Now you'll see a list of all devices connected to your Fitbit account. For most of us, it's just the one. Find your Fitbit Charge 6 in the list and tap on it. This opens the specific settings menu just for that tracker. Step 3. All right, you're now in the main settings area for your Charge 6. You'll see options like gallery for clock faces, wallet, and notifications. You need to scroll down this menu, past the main settings, until you find the security section. In there, you'll see an option called Device Lock. It will likely say Disabled next to it. Tap on Device Lock to continue. This is the key to adding a Fitbit Charge 6 PIN code and protecting your device. Quick pause. If you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, please give this video a quick like. It really helps other Fitbit users find it and secure their devices. Okay, back to setting our PIN. Step 4. On this screen, you'll see a button that says Set PIN Code. Tap it. The app will now prompt you to enter a 4-digit PIN. Now a quick tip. Try to avoid really obvious codes like 1234 or 0000. Pick something memorable for you but hard for others to guess. Pro tip. Tip 1. How the lock actually works. So you might be wondering, will I have to enter this PIN every time I look at my watch? And the answer is no. The lock only activates when you take the Fitbit off your wrist. As soon as its sensors lose contact with your skin, it locks. When you put it back on, you'll enter the PIN once, and it will stay unlocked as long as you're wearing it. This makes it super secure without being annoying. Tip 2. What if you forget your PIN? Don't panic if you forget your PIN. You can't reset it from the watch itself for security reasons. Instead, just open your Fitbit app, unlock your phone, and follow the same steps we just did. When you get back to the device lock screen, you'll see an option to change PIN. The app will let you set a new one and you'll be good to go. It's a great fail-safe. Tip 3. The Fitbit Pay security connection. Finally, this is especially important if you use Fitbit Pay. In fact, if you've set up a card for Tap to Pay, Fitbit requires you to have a device lock enabled. This is the primary feature that protects your financial information and provides top-notch Fitbit Pay security. So by setting this up, you're not just protecting your health data, you're protecting your wallet too. And there you have it! Your Fitbit Charge 6 is now secured with a device lock. You now know exactly how to lock your Fitbit and protect your data. No more worrying if it slips off your wrist. You can now have total confidence that your personal information is safe and sound. If you found this tutorial useful and want more simple tech guides, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos from For Real. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments, what other Fitbit feature should I cover next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.